A while ago, Feiyutech sent me one of their best gimbal AK4500 to make a review about. And as you might know that I don't really do much reviews on these channels, but personally, whenever I watch a review about a certain product, I don't really want to spend so much time watching it, and yeah, just in general, I don't want to spend like 20 minutes watching a review. So I want to make this video as short as possible and beneficial. So this video is not sponsored by Feiyutech itself. It's my honest review about it. And to be honest, when they sent me, I didn't want to make the review right away after that. I wanted to test the gimbal a bit and then share my experience with you guys. And as you might know that I don't really do much reviews like this, but today is a day where I make a review about, okay, this is the gimbal that I'm talking about, AK4500. So I want to tell you why it's probably one of the favorite gimbals that I've used in the past couple of years. And yeah, let's start with number one. It's the external handling. This external handle that come with is probably one of the most essential tools that you can use to make your set way lighter. Obviously, when it comes to gimbals, we have a very heavyweight setup. So this external handle really helps to make the whole set way lighter and helps you to kind of, be more stable with it. And it has this carbon metallic, I don't know if it's metal, carbon is, I don't know science much. It has this thing, like it's very light, the handle itself is very light, it's made out of carbon, and also it's very warm in cold situation. Like in winter, I was like holding it with my bare hand and it was just like pretty warm. It felt like I'm more, you know what I mean? I don't know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying? Speaking of heavyweight setup, this gimbal can load up to 4.6 kilogram, which is considered to be the largest payload in 3 kilogram grade gimbals. I personally tried Blackmagic on this gimbal and it works pretty well. As you might know, Blackmagic with the lens compared to my Sony is bigger and heavier, so for me to have that option to even use Blackmagic, this gimbal is pretty good. Now, some of the gimbals that I've used in the past years I've always had issues with in terms of smoothness. This gimbal never actually disappointed me when it's come to stability and smoothness. And there is another feature where you can easily switch between landscape to portrait mode. To be honest, this feature is great, but I don't think it will pretty much work for cinematic videos. It might work for like, let's say if you want to make a vlog, or let's say if you want to make a TikTok video or an Instagram video, this might work pretty well. Now let's come to my favorite feature on this gimbal, which is LCD touchscreen. This is the first time that I see touchscreen in gimbal industry that give me full control to change and adjust setting only using the screen without actually using my phone or touching all these complicated buttons. And you can even also connect your camera with the gimbal itself if you want to change, let's say, a white balance or pretty much all these simple details that you want to change right away on your touchscreen in the gimbal. Alright, last but not least, I really like that you can actually use follow focus point as, moving the camera. It has a very subtle and smooth movement. In most other gimbals that I used, I just could only use that for follow focus point, but I personally don't use the follow focus. For me, it's just too much. The whole setup, it's already heavy, it's too much. So for me to be able to use this feature here to be able to just do a subtle movement with it is just insanely good. Alright guys, so yeah, this is it. These are my top reasons. If you want to support this channel, go ahead. The link of my store will be in the description box below. There will be a lot of preset packs, a lot of LUTs and overlays that you might be interested in, and also a lot of freebies. So the link will be in the description again, and I see you in the next one. Bye.